So when we first started, we were of course talking more than we were expecting them to write. And so slowly as they started writing, they started opening up. So that change we can see.
Writing to no particular purpose is something I think which is very important for people who are interested in writing. And I think a workshop like this gives kids the space to experiment with kind of no consequences.
So one thing I think I definitely strengthened a lot through this was how to begin a story.
They're all interested in improving their writing in various ways. Some of them wanted to make their writing more interesting and intriguing, and some of them wanted to improve their style.
One part where I've gained lots of skills in is of course writing, but in particular it would be painting a picture in the reader's head.
The workshop really gave me a few things to think about, which made writing it easier.
Kids are coming up with funny ideas, kids are exploring things. Sometimes they come, one or two kids have come to us and said, "Excuse me, is it okay to say, for my character to say, oh hell?" And we tell them it's absolutely fine if the situation demands it.
It's interesting, joyful, memorable, and you get to learn many new things from this workshop.